What's going on, everyone? Today I got a 2023 Subaru BRZ. Checking the cabin filter out for this customer to see if they need a new one. This will be a good tutorial if you want to replace yours. Okay, so it's going to be located behind the glove box. We're going to need to drop the glove box door. So there's this damper right here on the side we have to disconnect first. And all you got to do is just grab it from the back, pull it towards you, and you can disconnect it. Okay, just like this. Okay, it's just a little clip. Now there's glove box stoppers here on the sides. We're gonna need to pull the glove box in. Okay, there's the stopper there with that felt on it. Same thing on this side. Push it in, and the glove box door will come down, and it'll actually come off the hinges. Okay, and it's kind of meant to do this. Okay. It just kind of sits on the hinges. So don't worry, you didn't break it. And the cabin filter is in this compartment here. These clips, push them in, and then we pull towards us to take the door off. Both sides. Here's our filter here. I have a feeling this one's pretty clean. All right, this one is super duper clean. If you need one, I'm gonna leave you a part number. And see how this one says up right here. So make sure you install your new one. Same way with it facing up. Let's get our door, snap it back on, and get our glove box and line up the hinges. Okay. Now they won't like click or pop, they just sit on there, and then we're gonna close it. Okay, that much. And then we just get our damper here, and we're just gonna hook it back up. Okay, let's push it back on, and we're all done. If the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it, drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.